Hello children, let's start our today's EVS class. Now today we will learn animals and their young ones. Sheep and the young one is lamb. Sheep, young one is lamb. Repeat after me. Duck and ducklings. Duck and ducklings. Horse, foal. Horse and the young one is foal. Cow and calf. Cow and its young one is calf. Okay, now see elephant and its young one is calf. Elephant and calf. Let's go to the next page. Now see here, this is lion and the young one is cub. Lion and cub. Now see, this is kangaroo and the young one is joey. Kangaroo and joey. Now see here, this is deer and fawn. Deer and fawn. Cat and kitten. Cat, kitten. Dog and pup. Dog and puppies. Okay children, so